this week kind of consisted of a big operational change within Wyred, with dealing with how we manage our clients. So prior to this week, we kind of just spread our resources among each client that we have, and we just kind of worked on tasks as they came up. There was no really specific roles dedicated to a certain client. So this week, we kind of made a change, and Andrew and I got assigned our own clients. So I took about half the clients, Andrew has about half the clients, and we are more of the brand manager. Now, what being a brand manager means is really taking a look at their company and at their brand and figuring out how we can help them achieve success. So a lot of what I did this week consists of looking at data and a lot of data entry and taking this data and making good educational assumptions on how we can better their company, not only through the data, but as a brand as a whole. We also look at, the actual brand and how the brand of our client portrays itself to the end consumer. So a lot of looking at websites, figuring out how we can bring their message and best portray it to the customer, as I said. So a lot of looking at, the logo, the website, figuring out problems with the websites and figuring out how we can make the user experience of their websites better for the people visiting that. So something else that we kind of implemented into our routine is a meeting every Monday to discuss the numbers and data behind our clients and their campaigns. So in that meeting, it's just a really quick meeting, and we talk about the data, the click-through rates, the conversion rates, and talk about where they're at and where they should be and what's going on if something looks weird or funny in that data. So it's like a 10-15 minute meeting, talk about each client that we are assigned, and from that, after that meeting, we know what to do after based on the data that was presented for each client.
Go back.